The power of OpenAI's GPT-4 is mind-blowing. 5 AI tools. There are several AI tools and platforms that utilize GPT-3's capabilities, including OpenAI API. This is OpenAI's own platform that allows developers to access and use the GPT-3 model through a simple API. It can be used for a variety of applications, such as chatbots, content generation, and more. Hugging Face. This is a popular open-source platform for NLP that provides pre-trained models, including GPT-3, for developers to use. It also has a user-friendly interface for testing and deploying models. GPT-3 Sandbox. This is a web-based platform that allows users to experiment with the GPT-3 model by inputting text prompts and seeing the output. It's a great way to explore the capabilities of GPT-3 without any coding. Copy.ai. This is an AI-powered tool that uses GPT-3 to generate marketing copy, social media posts, and more. It's designed for non-technical users and provides a simple interface for generating high-quality text. Textio. This is another AI-powered tool that uses GPT-3 to improve the quality of writing. It provides real-time feedback and suggestions to help writers improve their language, tone, and overall impact of their writing. Second, think that OpenAI API versus Hugging Face. Props and cons. High-quality models. OpenAI API provides access to some of the most advanced and high-quality AI models, including GPT-3, which have been trained on massive amounts of data and can produce very accurate and realistic outputs. Simple API. OpenAI API offers a simple and easy-to-use API that can be integrated into various NLP applications with minimal coding. Support and documentation. OpenAI provides extensive documentation and support for their API, including guides, tutorials, and code samples. Controlled access. Access to the GPT-3 model through OpenAI API is only available to approved users, which ensures that the model is not misused or abused. Cons of OpenAI API. Cost. OpenAI API is a paid service, and the cost can be prohibitive for small projects or individuals. Limited access. The GPT-3 model is only available to approved users, which can limit its accessibility. Potential limitations. There may be some limitations on the types of applications that can be built with OpenAI API, and developers may need to work around these limitations. Pros of Hugging Face. Open source. Hugging Face is an open-source platform, which means that the models are freely available and can be modified and customized as needed. Wide range of models. Hugging Face offers a wide range of pre-trained models that can be used for various NLP tasks, including GPT-3. Customization options. Hugging Face provides more customization options than OpenAI API, including the ability to fine-tune the models for specific use cases. Community support. Hugging Face has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the development and improvement of the models. Cons of Hugging Face. Quality of models. The quality of the models offered by Hugging Face may not be as high as those offered by OpenAI API, as they may have been trained on smaller datasets. Complexity. Hugging Face can be more complex to use than OpenAI API, especially for beginners. Lack of support. While Hugging Face does provide some documentation and support, it may not be as extensive as OpenAI API's documentation and support. Ultimately, the choice between OpenAI API and Hugging Face will depend on the specific needs and requirements of the project, as well as the budget and resources available. OpenAI API versus Hugging Face versus Copy.ai. Top 3 AI tools in between. Which tools are the best perfumes and where helpful for human? Comparing OpenAI API, Hugging Face, and Copy.ai is difficult because they each have different strengths and are useful for different purposes. However, here are the top 3 AI tools based on their strengths and helpfulness for humans. OpenAI API. OpenAI API is the best tool for natural language processing, NLP, tasks. It provides access to some of the most advanced AI models, including GPT-3, which are trained on massive amounts of data and can produce very accurate and realistic outputs. OpenAI API is particularly useful for generating human-like text, answering questions, and completing tasks that involve language. Hugging Face. Hugging Face is an excellent tool for fine-tuning pre-trained AI models for specific NLP tasks. It provides a wide range of pre-trained models that can be used for various NLP tasks and also allows for customization and fine-tuning. Hugging Face is particularly useful for developers who want to build custom NLP models for specific use cases. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a great tool for generating content quickly and cost-effectively. It provides AI-powered text and design generators that can create high-quality content and designs in a matter of seconds. Copy.ai is particularly useful for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals who need to create content and designs quickly but do not have the budget or resources to hire professionals. Overall, these AI tools are all helpful for humans in different ways and for different purposes. OpenAI API is best for language tasks, Hugging Face is best for fine-tuning pre-trained models, and Copy.ai is best for generating content quickly and cost-effectively.